Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to look into Azure AI Foundry agents. Let's get started. So once you navigate into Azure AI Foundry, so you can navigate down to the agents. So once you click on agents, this is where you would be able to create an agent and then configure an agent that you can use in your applications. So when you hit new agent, so it's just going to create one directly for you. So if you see on the right hand side, there is this agent ID. Then you do have an agent name with the deployment, whatever deployment we already have. I have a nano, but you can deploy different models that could be used here. The instruction part is a very important one. If you click on this, it gives you like agent a clear direction of what exactly the agent is capable of, and you're kind of like bounding the agent to whatever you're giving. Give any special instructions saying this is what you're good at or restrict it to certain things. So that's what is the instructions that are given here. The next one you're going to give us the agent description. What exactly is your agent going to do? So this doesn't affect the agent's behavior on responding to any of the queries, just for your own understanding, like the name, you're giving description here. So if you further go down, there is a knowledge tab. So where in the knowledge, you can give agent knowledge base from your local sources. So for example, when you click on add, it gives you these many options that you could do. So the basic option is file. So if you have PDFs, more like a brand guidelines and things, you can add it as a file, which will be uploaded, or you can point it to an Azure AI search. AI search, basically you index your sources, and then the AI search can be used as a source for your agent. The next one you have is agents have a option to do some actions. So here you can say like when this happens, call this method or call this web service or anything like that you can have. And then you can also have some code or OpenAI tools or Azure Logic apps. Hand off the context to the other agents that you have created. If you have multiple agents, a travel agent, a booking agent, in that case, the travel agent can hand off the context to the booking agent, and then the booking agent can take it from there. So that's this one. You can click on add, and then it gives you options that you could choose your existing. So the temperature and toppy is more configurable. And then the last one, you can see, go to your voice playground. So you can use this agent and then you can have a conversation, ask it to do tasks for you. So that's all for this week. I'll see you again next week with another topic. Thanks again for watching.